Want to drive a boat legally in Florida? Here's how to get your official boating license, step by step, in 2025. It's easier than you think, and I'll walk you through everything you need to do. Let's get started. First, do you even need a boating license? In Florida, anyone born on or after January 1st, 1988 must complete a boating safety course and carry a boating safety education ID card to operate a boat with 10 horsepower or more. Next, you'll need to take a state-approved boating safety course. Here are your options: boated.com, boaterexam.com, and Florida Boating Course by FWC. The course can be done online, usually takes 3 to 4 hours, and includes quizzes. After finishing the lessons, you'll take a final exam. You'll need at least a 76% to pass. Most courses let you retake it for free if you fail. Once you pass, you'll get a temporary boating certificate. This lets you legally operate a boat immediately while you wait for your permanent boating safety ID card to arrive in the mail. After a few weeks, you'll receive your Florida Boating Safety Education ID card from the FWC. It's valid for life, no renewal needed. Here's a short recap. 1. Confirm if you need the license. 2. Take a state-approved course. 3. Pass the W exam. 4. Get your temporary certificate. 5. Receive your permanent card. And that's it. That's how you get your Florida boating license in 2025. Easy, fast, and 100% online. If you've got questions, drop them in the comments. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.